It's a new 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. You need room, you crave capability, and you also want fun. Yes, you can have it all with this SUV. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, steering assist cruise control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, inductive device charging, and auto shift manual transmission. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.